Guys, they're out there thinking about what they're going to do on this tree. First they had chains, then they didn't have chains. Then he started cutting on the tree, and now he's decided, well, let's think about this for a minute. Guys, it's not that far from the house. I know there's junk on the outside of the doors here. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, I truly don't think this is gonna end well. Oh my God. Toledo. Anyway, I feel a migraine coming. Just want to let you know. So, yeah. So they've spent 30 minutes talking about this tree. They brought chains up. They brought straps up. But, as you can tell, nothing has been tied or chained. So, oh geez, he's getting his saw again. Hold on. Holy crap. So now he's, oh dear God. You know, when you watch stuff on TV and they cut, oh, he's falling that way. Oh crap. Oh dear Lord. Well, it didn't fall into the house. Okay, I'm bad. Well, that's what $400 gets you. A tree cut down. Well, now they gotta chop it up, drag it down, and that will be the end of that. So, all in all, other than me needing to clean these windows, but until our rainy season's done, no point, because it just blows junk all on there. The tree was cut down. Okay, well, there's your quick little bonus video. And he's behind the bush, so can't tell you what's going on other than he's cutting it. So as long as the tree, after he cuts the top off, doesn't roll down here, we'll be good. So anyway, just thought I'd share the tree cutting experience. Not so bad. All right, guys. Bye. Have a good day. Let's see if I can focus. All right, so now they've chopped up the tree, dragging it down, cutting up more, and I know I'm in the laundry room, sorry. And then they're cutting it up down there, putting it on the back of this truck, which is about full. And then they still have, well, you can't see the big chunks of tree that they have, which obviously they're going to be cutting that up to make good firewood work with. But yep, dragging it down the hill. So, anyway, I don't know how they're going to drive that down the road without it falling off, going around our driveway corners and hills. So, I'm guessing it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall off. But anyway, we shall soon see. Just thought I'd show you the other part of it. So I know. Let's see. Oh, here's one of the. I know I can't lean back. Here's one of the walls in the laundry room. Oh, I found that jacket that I'm going to make a journal with one day. I know, I keep looking at it. And then, no, you can't see how far it is, but anyway, yep. Yep, those are my little wind chimes in the laundry room window. Got dragonfly and little sun. All right. So, oops, I know. I'm too short, too tall one way. So, the saga of the tree removal goes. So I gotta hang some clothes. I'll be back in a little while.